Greetings everyone, it's AcceleReece. It is October 8th, 2025, and we're going to go to Walmart and do some Hot Wheels AcceleRacers hunting, see if we can find a set.
I've never been so excited to go to a Walmart.
Nope, nothing. All right, our first stop was a failure. Hopefully we can find some at Walmart number 2. So let's move on to Walmart number 2. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Up. There they are. Wow. Looks like it might be a full case, which is 2 sets. Let's see. 2 iridiums, 2 reverbs. It's like someone might have grabbed a hollow back. So we got a iridium here. We got a reverb. Oh my gosh, there's more up there. There's reverb right there. RDO 9. Slingshot. There's a second iridium. A second reverb. Another slingshot. And a first hollow back. So it looks like someone might have grabbed a hollow back, because that there is a complete set. And then back here we got another RDO 9 and another revert. So that's what's on the pegs right now in my hometown. But oh my gosh, there's so much more up there. I probably shouldn't do this. There's that's a really beat up card. There's our second complete set. Ugh. It's another slingshot. Ugh. All right. Oh my gosh. There's so many. Why do they have so many? This is the most I've seen at retail before. Got another RDO 9. Oh, there's still more up there. Okay, it took a lot of finagling, but I finally got it down. And these are all the AcceleRacers that they have in stock. And some people might get mad, but I think I'm going to pick up all of these.
A few moments later.
Actually, I just did the math, and to buy all 19 of these would cost me $69. So I don't feel like spending that kind of money today. So we're gonna buy like 1 or 2 sets, and then maybe we'll stock the rest, come back later and see if someone else buys them. All right, so let's put this set back on the pegs here. We'll put 1 complete set on this peg, and we'll put another set on the peg above it. Put slingshot in the front. There we go. AcceleRacers on the pegs, and I think we'll pick up these 2 sets. Can you name all the cars in that picture right there? I see Jackhammer, Pile Driver, Urban Agent, Armored Truck, Bifocal 2, Super Tsunami, Roll Cage, a Mustang, Police Car, Dixie Challenger. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, we bought 10 AcceleRacers today. We left behind like 14, something like that. I know it was like a set and then 4 extra cars. But, ladies and gentlemen, you saw it here. It only took 2 Walmart trips to find the new AcceleRacers, and there were 19 of them in that store. I found a couple of these already just hunting around, and that was the most I've seen on the pegs at one time. Usually they only stock like 1 set at a time. So that was crazy. Of course, there was a couple on top of the shelf. I got them down and I stocked them onto the pegs, and I just bought 2 sets because if I bought all of them, it would have been like $70. And I'm like, I don't want to spend that much money on toys today. So we got 2 sets. I've already got a bunch of these, so I don't need a whole bunch. So hopefully I can leave some behind for another collector. I'll probably come back like next week or a week after and see if they're still there. I'm curious if they are. But thank you for tuning in and joining me on this fun little AcceleRacers retail hunt. It's like reliving the 2000s, right? I mean, the last time I plucked an AcceleRacers off the peg was in like 2008-ish, and it was a ratified. So from Five Below. So yeah, this is super exciting. Thank you for watching, guys. This is AcceleRace of Tesla's Cube signing out. Peace out. You think maybe I have a problem?